2021 iPad Pro could be Apple's most attractive design yet. With the sheer amount of iPads released in 2020, could Apple be planning to take a breather in 2021? Of course not. The rumor mill has already gone into overdrive when it comes to 2021's iPad lineup, and a brand new render has revealed a tantalizing glimpse at what this year's new iPad Pro might look like. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is Tech New Leaks. So let's get started. Based on leaked CAD files of the supposedly upcoming iPad Pro, one 3D artist has created a full video render revealing a rather similar design to the current model, and while a few tiny tweaks could hint at some huge new features for one of our best drawing tablets, it seems the next iPad Pro is going to look a lot like the last iPad Pro. Created by 3D artist Pic2, the render reveals a familiar edge-to-edge display with black bezels, along with the standard magnetic ports of the Apple Pencil 2 and Magic Keyboard. Good news if you have already splashed out on these not exactly inexpensive accessories. The new iPad Pro might look familiar, but some tiny changes could make a huge difference. More magnets could also mean more accessories. We were taken by surprise when Apple launched the Magic Keyboard last year, and the company could have even more useful and no doubt pricey peripherals up its sleeves. We recently saw a stunning AirPods concept involving pass-through charging from an iPad to the earbuds, and based on Pic2's renders, this does not seem quite so far-fetched anymore. Intriguingly, in a blog spot about the renders, Pic2 also suggests some major internal changes could be in store for the iPad Pro, namely the addition of Apple's M1 chip. We have were blown away by the chip's performance in the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, and shocked to see some early M1 MacBook price cuts, and if it does make its way into the iPad Pro, perhaps the tablet could finally become a laptop replacement for creatives. We were a touch disappointed with the lack of new design language in Apple's 2020 product lineup, but it seems that could be about to change this year. Even the iMac is finally in line for a fresh coat of paint. But while the 2021 iPad Pro might not look so exciting on the outside, it seems there could be some huge internal changes in store. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying iPad Pro this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.